Today I'm going to teach you how to fight backwards. One of the questions I got was, how do I fight going backwards like a boxer?
Not like
Not swinging like an idiot. It's really simple. Like I was telling Diego, like a lot of y'all just don't practice it enough. MMA fighters, we're very, very aggressive. We're either aggressive or we're static. So it's like, what I mean by that is either I'm pressing the attack with Diego or I'm static with Diego. Like that's really the only two things. So you have to learn how to fight going backwards as MMA fighters. One of the things you gotta be aware of when you're fighting going backwards is the shot, of course. Like if I'm here and I'm fighting going backwards, my leg, I'm kind of exposed. So I gotta be careful of that, of course. But there's a way around that. You just gotta, again, practice it. One of the things you do is, again, I need to put Diego now at distance. If I'm fighting going backwards, I don't really want to be close to the person. Fighting going backwards works best when I have to make him chase after me. I want to establish my distance with a nice, long jab. It doesn't have to hit, it just has to establish that distance. As Diego comes forward, I want to take a step with my back leg, kind of like sinking like I'm slipping, because I never want to just go straight back like this because I'll eat something. So fighting going backwards works best when I'm slipping off of the punches. Boom, boom. Now notice my footwork. I go step with my rear leg, off to that side goes my head. Now when I need to go to the other side, I bring my back leg, my front leg in a little bit and I twist and I go to the other side. This allows me to keep good kind of gallopy movement so that I'm not tripping over myself. When he comes forward, I go boom, 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 boom. Now how do I throw punches off of that? There's a drill I like to use. We're gonna stay here. Diego's gonna take one step with his lead leg. As he does that, I'm gonna take a step with my back leg and I'm gonna throw an overhand with my lead. But Diego likes to overcommit, which is why he runs into shit a lot. Then I go boom. Then he steps in again, boom. So he steps in one more time. I go step, slip, and as I do that, whether it hits or not is irrelevant. I just need to let him know it's there and fill that space with something. Then as I'm here, he throws that hand, boom. He steps, I go boom, he steps, boom. Always stepping, shifting my head as I do it. There's a really easy drill you can do with your partners. These are things that you have to practice. If you don't practice them, of course, you're gonna feel awkward about it. It's gonna always feel off. But the more you do it, the easier it'll be to access it when it's actually go time. Again, I'm Coach Anthony. Next week, I don't know what I'm gonna bring y'all yet, but stay tuned, there's gonna be some good stuff. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and we out here.